California.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Scare Rider Collective YouTube channel. And today's video is going to be my biggest model kit stash haul to date on the channel, and one of them being a signed kit. So let's go ahead and get on into it. So for the first box we're going to pull models from, there's only 7 kits in this box. It is the smaller box that I have. And we have a Monogram Long John Streamline Dragster. I believe this is a re-release because it has a copyright date of 1998 on it. Revell Monogram Inc. So it says all these features included. Quite a bit of stuff. And I do know that this kit has 2 complete kits in there, except rims and tires. But we can scrounge some stuff up to make it. Another kit I picked up was a 93 Ford Ranger STX. It's AMT Erdl. It's not in the original box, but it is all there complete. So lately I've been getting into the pickup trucks. If you are a viewer of the channel, you know I built some pickup trucks for the last couple of videos, so I had to pick that up, something different. Then we have a Revell Tom the Mongoose McEwen 57 Chevy Funny Car. Now this is molded in white versus molded in red. It is complete, except for somebody did open it and take that collector's pin out of it. But would have been nice to have that. It's really cool, but somebody already snaked it out of there. Next up, we have a AMT Erdl. Now this kit is sealed. 49 Ford Coupe. So I have an idea for this one. Really excited to show you guys. Hopefully you guys like it once I get done building that one. Then next up, we have a Big John Revell 41 Willys gasser. Then we have pretty much the same kit, just the Motorsports, Revell, Stonewoods, and Cook Willys. So we got those. And then something a little bit different, actually a lot different. And the last kit out of that box is a Honda Trail 70 MPC 1/8 scale model kit mini bike. So looks like it's going to be a nice kit to build, something a little bit different. The only real motorcycle kits that I have built have been the Trick Trikes. Next up, we got the AMT Erdl Vampire Van, formerly known as the Barnabas Vampire Van from the TV show Dark Shadows. But now it's just the Vampire Van. So I don't have that cool of a box art, but still got it because I've been wanting to build this. So it includes the coffin with the vampire and the hearse. So really cool. Then I got some Ed Roth kits to add to the collection. We got the Ed Big Daddy Roth Road Agent Revell Monogram. Comes with the figures and the model. So really excited for that. Then we got the new Beatnik Bandit 2, Ed Big Daddy Roth. Some photos of the real car there and a Rat Fink and the model. So again, it comes with a little Rat Fink and an Ed Roth. Pictures of the model. So really excited to get into those. Happy to add those to the Ed Roth collection that I have going on. Then we got some show rods. We got a Flame Out, AMT Flame Out, with the big old barrel tires. We got the George Barris Customs ice cream truck. So we got another Barris kit, the a la carte. So I have this in 1/64 scale. Now I have it in 1/25. And since we're on the show rods and the TV cars, I got the AMT Green Hornet Black Beauty. Now this does have the figures, the Green Hornet and Kato. So there's Kato and the Green Hornet there. Really excited to get this car. Has all the features: the front gas gun, the front rocket launcher, the rear gun, the scanner satellite, and the rear rocket launchers. So really cool, fully loaded rolling arsenal. You can display gadget doors open or closed. So really excited about that. Now let's go ahead and get into the Monkeemobile. So I got this kit to do the Moon Eyes version of the Monkeemobile. But it has these signatures on it. So when I looked up these signatures, they came back as Dean Jeffries, the designer for the Monkeemobile. Mickey Donzel, who is the drummer and vocalist for the Monkees. Karen Anders, who is a TV personality. She was an actress. And we have Don Marshall and Tom Wopat. I believe this is his signature right here. He was known as Luke Duke from the Duke of Hazzard. That is, I believe, who everybody is. I'm not for sure, so if you recognize any of these signatures, if I got any of them wrong, it would be due to the internet, because I don't know who these people are. I just took a picture and put it through, and that's what it came up as. So it's still a really cool kit. They're definitely old, so I don't think they're that new. They look like they aged with the box, so I guess whoever had this kit previously went to, I'm guessing, some sort of event and got these signatures. But again, if you recognize any of these signatures or if I got any of them wrong, let me know. I just think it's really cool. Here we have a kit that NPC and Round 2 recently just re-released. This is an older version of it, the Tiger Shark show rod. It's originally, I believe, a Hot Wheels car. But again, it comes with all the stuff that's in the new kit. So it has the display stand that moves, opening doors, turnable tires, custom console, opening hood. So they put this car out actually a few times before this new release that's coming. This is the one that I picked up. Then we got a 1933 Willys van. It's a panel. It says limited edition vintage series 3. So you could do a few different decals and build this up a little bit differently. Has Fantastic, Leapin' Lorry with some Willy bars on the back there. Or Yellow Fever. So pretty cool that it comes with all those options. I'm pretty sure it's sealed, so I haven't opened it, but pretty sure those are the decals that are included. Then again, I got a GMC pickup Revell snowplow kit. I got a plan for the plow, but again, I've been building these trucks lately, and I've really been enjoying them, so got another truck kit. Then we got a AMT Ertl 1986 El Camino SS. Still sealed. Looks like it's going to be a nice kit to build as well. Then we have 32 Ford hot rods. Looks like you can build them 3 different ways. So yeah, build one of 3 ways. Got 3 different engine options. So it looks like gonna have a lot of parts left over when I'm done with that. Then we have another show rod that was kind of hiding, the AMT Depth Changer Aqua Rod, another show rod with the big old barrel tires. So this isn't really anything too crazy when it comes to the chassis. Just has that big old scuba mask with the air tank, some shark fins. So pretty cool kit. depth changer. Then we got an MPC Grumpy's Vega Pro Stock Series Retro Deluxe release. Round 2 kit, Bill Grumpy Jenkins. 1972 Chevy Vega Pro Stocker. Got a Revell Chevelle station wagon. So pretty cool. California wheels. Then we have the 60 Chevrolet Custom Fleet Side pickup truck with the go-kart included. So pretty cool. Again, getting into the trucks. Got another Willys, 33 Willys Coupe, AMT Ertl. We have the Hearst Harry Olds 1/24 scale Monogram Funny Car. So I believe this is a re-release. I think it has a date 3/31/95. Somebody wrote that on the bottom of the box, but here's the box art. Pretty cool stuff. Built up of it. Then we got something a little bit different, a AMT Ertl Chevrolet Beretta GTZ. Got quite a few different cars. Like this Revell Ford Focus SVT Tuner Series 2-in-1. Go over here, you can see it has 3 different wheel options. So there's it, more like stock build versus what it shows on the front. It has the giant wing, race seats and stuff in there. Right now we're down to the last couple kits here. Try to go a little fast. I don't want to take up a bunch of your guys' time. Like I said, it's the biggest model kit stash haul that I've done on the channel. So I don't know how you guys would feel about it. But we got an AMT Ertl 1995 Dodge Stealth RT Turbo. Now, if you don't know, this is the same car as a Mitsubishi Eclipse. And it actually shares some of the same parts. They had a partnership back in the day with the Stealth and the Mitsubishi. But there's what it looks like. But yeah, they had some sort of program where they worked together. Then next up we have a newer kit. This is an AMT round 2, I believe 2025. 1995 Toyota Supra has the new decals. This was one you could get at Walmart. But I just happened to not get it, so I got it secondhand. It comes with some pretty cool wheels and stuff. Race seats, optional removable roof, the motors, the spoiler, race roll bar. Here's the decal sheet that's included. Nothing too crazy. I kind of like that the gray like tribal design there with the way they build it on this silver car. But not too sure. Like the green wheels here. I don't really like that decal though, but pretty cool. Next up we got a AMT Ertl 1981.5 Datsun 280ZX Turbo. So I have not built any of these. This one has a sticker, 1995 Ertl company, made in Mexico. So, and the last one we have Again, don't have the original box, but it is a Revell Super Stallion Mustang. Pretty cool. Excited to get into all these kits on the channel when I have some time to do some more building. So these are the kits you're going to be looking out for on the videos. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate everybody that does so. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It's 100% free. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and hit the notification bell to be notified about future uploads. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.